laws false. See,
Mm.
we have to take away these kind of the nasty things that you cannot give or you cannot be forced to give the incriminating evidence against yourself. Rather, it will be another way that you have to tell truth. We don't care whether it is incrementing or non-incrementing. If you have done
True,
something which is wrong, then you have to tell that. As simple as that.
true.
So
Be open enough to say that. Yes,
telling a lie would be crime in itself.
very true. Yes,
So, but the whole ecosystem will change or not?
of course.
Then we are saying that justice will be delivered within 3 days to 30 days.
Yes,
Now
yes,
you
yes.
and me will become judge, and we,
Yes.
while you and me are the judge, we are not the Lord.
Correct,
Because
correct.
if we take a wrong decision,
Mm.
we have to pay a very heavy compensation, and we will lose our job also.
True.
You will no more be judge. So now,
True.
at the moment, anybody in judiciary, they are taking a bribe openly. Clerk जो है ना sitting in the court is taking bribe and serving serving the food and vegetables at judge house.
Everyone.
Judge house.
Everyone.
So
Everyone
this is a open secret known to everybody.
Yes.
Why and how this should happen?
Correct.
And now when we will be having paper currency free Bharat, Acha, let me discuss one thing. Do you have the knowledge about the cyber crime and things like that?
Yes.
Okay, so I am saying doing a cyber crime would be next to impossible.
Yes. Nowadays, the cyber crime is increasing rapidly.
No,
and I don't know how they're lifting the money from savings account
because we have not created any anti-ecosystem.
You're right.
Say, I was sitting with someone, one young boy who was working with the Google, he came in. He said, क्या बातें करते हैं सर कि आप जो है you will be having expenditure free election system through app, हम सर हैक कर देंगे. हमने कहा बेटे तुम्हारी औकात नहीं होगी. Right? Because you just cannot do it because you are not in position to handle repercussions, right?
True.
So whosoever is entering, uski puri identity is captured by my system because we will create that system. We will change the communication protocol with the one more dimension, that security protocol. The security protocol will capture everything and will store it. It will not consume any memory. Before you are talking to me, it is not the IP address. I will capture, because ultimately whatever that your machine is giving a command, answer is being delivered to your machine. It means the command knows where to go. It means your packet is having the address, right? Because in the same Wi-Fi system, n number of the instrument would be there. But if you giving the command, your reply will come to you only. It means the packet is having address of your Mac or something, right? Or even IP address, right? So IP address, before IP address, that security protocol will capture your MAC address and everything, your location, everything, and that will be stored. Now you imagine a situation. What I treat cyber crime is like a phishing. If you agree with me, say to befool somebody, we have to throw a net in a bigger area, right? Say I will send the message, I will send the email to the n number of the people, and then most gullible person who could be befooled, he will be taken into the confidence and his money will go, right?
Yes.
And now say for committing one crime, I am committing 1,000 crimes, because sending email with the intent to do the cyber crime itself is a crime. Attempt is a crime. So if I have sent a email to 1,000 people, I have committed 1,000 crime.
Yes.
Right. Now the person at the other end with the little suspicion, we will change the operating system. There will be one small knob or a small button. The moment you click the button, it will capture everything, start capturing everything, audio, video, this, that, and artificial intelligence will be working to decipher very aggressively, right? Now let me say I am a cyber criminal and you are my victim, right? Now I telephone to you. The moment my communication is asking the OTP kind of the things, AI will detect it immediately, right? Now that AI is immediately propping up a forged OTP, right? So that you should have no problem in telling even if it is asked 10 times, right?
Correct.
So imagine a situation, I am a criminal, you are a victim, and the moment I telephone to you, you grew some suspicion, you have started, press that button, and everything started basically getting recorded, right?
Yes.
The system already knows where you are and all those, your MAC address, this address, that address, everything is there, right? And by then there will be so much of the CCTV everywhere, because the person who will be installing CCTV, he will be earning crores and crores, lakhs and lakhs, right? Because whatever the amount will be fined, 50% will go to that CCTV owner. Now you imagine it will be a big deal to have 10 notes, 20 notes. So Maithili Sharan will give all his capital in having as many nodes as possible. Then we have to come out with a policy that how these notes should be distributed so that it should be available equitably to everybody. Because having a CCTV node means you have started minting money.
Yes.
Now a whole ecosystem will change. Now you imagine a situation that system knows, and it will alert all cameras around. It will do everything. He knows where you are. Cameras are alerted. Uske jo hai na shots are being requisitioned. It is being jo hai na already identifying the criminals. Those evidences are automatically flowing to you. Now, as a criminal, system will be capturing all my evidences, right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
They will go to the FIR will be automatically registered without going to Thana, so you need not to put any efforts. All the evidences already captured, they will be sent to it. Who are the persons in pipeline? The system will say that please, it will ask the questions and the records and will be converted into text and oral and this and that. That will be also be pushed to the police. Within 3 days, all 1,000 challan could be put up. Now, as a Maithili Sharan Gupta, I am having the capacity that 1,000 crime I can tolerate.
Oh my God!
So even if that there is a 6-month punishment, and we will say it will not be concurrent, it will be consecutive. So 6 month में यदि हमने 1,000 किया तो 500 साल की सजा हो गई मुझे. In a small by sending a email. Can I afford it? नहीं. Can I afford it? As a cyber criminal, whether Maithili Sharan Gupta can afford it to have a 500 year of the punishment, and उसके साथ में यदि हमने संपत्ति जब्त करने का भी प्रावधान कर दिया कि I will forfeit your money.
नहीं हो जाएगा सर जी.
So I may be having the capability to commit crime. I will not dare to even think of committing a cyber crime. Whether Maithili Sharan Gupta can dare to think of committing cyber crime?
Never.
So you have changed the whole ecosystem.
Yes.
आज जो है ना हम सब कुछ कर पा रहे हैं, फिर हम क्रिप्टो करेंसी में मनी भी ले जा रहे हैं, और मनी जो है ना हम साला MHA से भी वसूल कर पा रहे हैं. अभी तो ये इकोसिस्टम.
बिल्कुल.
Now there will be the ecosystem other way around. Maithili Sharan Gupta कहाँ जाएंगे, right? अब now you imagine a situation कि I go to the Singapore or some or Dubai or any place which I feel it is a heaven for the criminals, right? Now that ecosystem will not allow to participate in our cyber space unless they guaranteed special assurance from that land. Any things is coming that the local government has to give the assurance. Otherwise, you will not have access in my space. As simple as that.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, sir.
Now that kind of the things is doable. So even government, those who are at the back end supporting these kind of the nasty things against the enemy countries, that will not be possible.
Yes, everything will be stopped. True.
So when at the thinking level we can think so much, doing will be much easier.
Very easier. Yes, we can make it in a very
because what we are saying, whatever we will say to the Honorable Narendra Modi, he will agree to me, because he is having no other option. If he don't agree, that my cycle will be creating Chandragupta's, right?
Yes.
The ticket will reach to them. Ticket.
Have you taken the